Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Vitamix E310 Explorian blender. This is a great blender for people who just want a powerful machine to make smoothies. It comes with the standard variable speed controls, it has an advanced pulse feature for helping to make great smoothies, and it uses a special cool running motor to keep the internal components from overheating and causing damage. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending all kinds of medium batches of smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts to feed the whole family. And it's still large enough to do food processing on a variety of different recipes. This Vitamix blender comes built to last. The hardened steel blades are aircraft grade and designed to handle the hardest and most challenging ingredients. This blender is an excellent choice for people who are on a budget, who don't need a giant industrial blender, and who are happy having an all-around quality machine. Our second best blender for smoothies is Ninja BL610 Countertop Blender. This professional blender features a sleek design and outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. The XL 72 ounces professional blender jar is great for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. Crush ice for resort-style frozen drinks like margaritas, daiquiris, and more. Blend ice, frozen or fresh fruits, and dairy to create delicious breakfast smoothies. Cool off with frozen favorites like ice cream, snow cones, and more. Make everything from restaurant-style sauces and purees to salsas and dressings. 6-blade assembly allows you to crush ice faster and blend ingredients smoother than other blenders. To clean the motor base, use a damp cloth to wipe clean. Third in our list is Vitamix 750 Blender. This is one fantastic device, coming complete with the best in pre-programmed options. Everything about the 750 is reliable, including its powerful motor, strengthened blades, and low-profile 64-ounce container. This is the ideal blender for entertaining guests with huge batches of drinks. This blender has automated blending. Automated blending means that the machine comes with 5 programs designed for maximum convenience. You can now make a smoothie, frozen dessert, soup, or puree simply by choosing one of the automated blending options. At the end of the day, the Vitamix 750 blender is a modern appliance for modern living. It has all the newest features, all the best technology, and it's designed to last for years. Yes, it does cost quite a bit of money. However, you are paying for quality. And isn't quality worth it in the end? For details, let's watch.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a demonstration of one of the most wonderful machines that was ever invented, the Vitamix machine, and I'm going to talk to you on the most vital subject that concerns you and your family.
Number 4 in our best blender for smoothies list is Blendtec Classic 575 blender. The Blendtec Classic 575 is the ultimate all-in-one appliance. Pre-programmed cycles make it easier than ever to create smoothies, salsas, hot soups, and more. Our unique clean cycle takes the work out of cleanup. The Blendtec Classic 575 offers 2 cycles that free your hands for other kitchen tasks. Simply press the 60 or 90-second setting and let your blender do the rest. The Blendtec Classic 575's 5 manual incremental speed cycles allow you to completely customize the consistency of your blend for the ultimate in customization, or press the pulse setting for a surge of blending power. Let's watch more about Blendtec.
Why Blendtec? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are, and people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives. From helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.
Our last pick is Blendtec Professional 800 Blender. Blendtec blenders are built to the highest professional standards. Our blades are 80% thicker and 10x stronger than other blender blades. No tamper needed. Professional grade countertop or encounter professional blender with one-touch timed and pre-programmed cycles for smoothies, shakes, soups, crushed ice, juicer, ice cream maker, mixer, and self-cleaning. Our blades are made from cold-forged, hardened steel and are up to 10 times stronger than other blender blades. Because the blade is blunt and not sharp, it can be touched and cleaned without injury. Blendtec blenders feature advanced controls that not only bring a touch of modern to your kitchen, but make blending and cleaning easier than ever. Create amazing blends every time with a single touch and wipe clean. Beautiful cocktails are made quickly and easily, leaving your friends in awe and your party memorable.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!